Okay, so 4.2. First question, what is a monopoly and its characteristics? A monopoly is pretty much just a market structure where there's only one firm, single firm, and they are the sole producer of a good or service with no substitutes. And there's high barriers to entry, and the firm is the price maker, single seller, and unique products. And now we're gonna draw the graph of a monopoly earning a profit. So first of all, we're just gonna have, this is gonna be quantity and this is gonna be price. So it should be demand curve, and MR. The usual standard stuff. And there should be MC right through it. And AC. Well, not like that, but like here. Through here. So the profit area is going to be right here. This is going to be the profit area, and the deadweight loss is going to be between this triangle area over here. This is going to be deadweight loss. So a monopolist will seek to maximize profits by putting outputs where MR equals MC. Oh, and the socially efficient point is where D equals MC. So demand equals MC, that should be socially acceptable point. Right. And next question, which is explaining why monopolies aren't efficient, is because they are not productively efficient because they do not produce at the minimum ATC. And the deadweight loss, the triangle here that I marked, is representing the lost benefit or welfare for consumers and society. And also they are not allocatedly efficient because they produce less than the socially optimal quantity. The way the government can regulate a monopoly to make zero economic profit is to set the price to equal average, the ATC, at the profit maximizing quantity. So pretty much the price should be set at ATC. So this triangle should be disappearing. So we're gonna draw the ATC curve, which is gonna be right around here, hitting there, where it breaks even. ATC, pretty much the ATC should be at the profit maximizing quantity as seen in the graph here. And next question, where consumer surplus is on the monopoly graph. The consumer surplus should be in the area above the price and below the demand curve. Monopolies try to reduce consumer surplus compared to competitive market. So it should just be the area above PM and below demand, which is going to be around here. This little triangle here should be consumer surplus. And next question, which is what exactly is natural monopoly? So a natural monopoly is when one firm's can supply the entire market at a lower cost than multiple firms. It's because due to high fixed costs and economies of scale. And some examples of these are electricity, natural gas, and I guess water supplies. Okay, and now a natural monopoly graph. I'm gonna make this graph a bit bigger. Y should be price, X should be quantity or output. So first of all, I'm just gonna draw demand. Same thing as usual. MR is below. So that looks like a P, okay? That's D for demand. And what's gonna happen is average cost is just gonna run down right around here. We're like a bit more smoother. This is average cost. And marginal cost should be this little straight line. This is MC, marginal cost. So this area over here where average cost meets the demand should be Q1. And yeah. So that's going to be the natural monopoly graph. Okay, we gotta label all those points. So the socially optimal price is going to be where MC equals demand, which is gonna be here. This point is gonna be socially optimal price. And a fair return price is going to be here. And the monopoly price or profit maximizing price would just be above everything around here, let's say.